Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use RSA SecurID for authentication, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using RSA SecurID for authentication, you first need to obtain your RSA SecurID token. This token could be a hardware device or a software application on your mobile device. Once you have your token, locate the RSA SecurID application on your device or prepare your hardware token. Press the button on your hardware token to display the unique passcode. If you are using the software application, open it to view your current passcode. Next, navigate to the website or application that requires RSA SecurID authentication. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. When prompted for your RSA SecurID passcode, enter the code displayed on your token. Keep in mind that the passcode changes every 30 seconds for enhanced security. If you enter the passcode correctly, you will gain access to your account or application. If the passcode is incorrect, ensure you have entered it correctly before trying again. Some systems might also prompt for a second factor, such as an additional passphrase or challenge question. If your organization uses additional security measures, make sure to follow those instructions. Once authenticated, you can proceed to use the services available to you. For added security, always ensure that your RSA SecurID device is secure and not shared with others. If you encounter any issues, consult your IT support team for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.